I stopped helping my kids getting dressed, and our morning actually got easier with 3 boys. If you are tired of your kids mixing up their clothes, grabbing the wrong shoes, or completely dilly-dallying in the morning, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about the tiny labeling system that completely changed how my kids get dressed for school. Most people think morning chaos happens because kids are distracted or simply not disciplined enough. But after years of doing mornings with 3 boys relatively close in age, I realized something different. But the problem wasn't behavior, it was visibility. When everything looks the same, gray pants, white socks, identical jackets, kids can't clearly see what belongs to them. So, I built a system that made ownership visible. Instead of reminding them louder, I made ownership visible with a tiny system using color-coded ribbon name tags. Within a week, my boys were finding their own clothes, grabbing the right shoes, getting dressed without asking me. I'm Shuri. I'm a mom of 3 boys. I design small systems at my home that quietly build independence. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made these color-coded name tags from ribbons and why one small placement decision makes all the difference. But first, here's what you will need. Grosgrain ribbon with colors of your choice, fabric paint, scissors, needle and thread. Sewing machine is optional. A lighter works if you have a gas stove at home. Children don't think in labels, they think in colors and patterns. And before they can read fluently, they recognize color instantly. So I assigned each of my boys a color: blue, green, and mustard. I bought grosgrain ribbon in those colors, not random, but kept consistent across everything. When they open a drawer, they don't look for their name, they look for the color. This removes decision fatigue. It removes guessing, it removes arguing, and this is important because if you only write names but don't use color, you lose half the power. But color alone isn't the magic. The real shift came from where I placed the label. Most clothing labels go inside the collar, but kids don't check inside. They flip, they pull, they give up. So I sewed the ribbon name tags on the outside back of the t-shirt and pants. Visible, immediate, no searching, no flipping. Instant clarity. When they hold up a shirt, they see their color instantly. That one change alone reduced "Mom, is this mine?" by almost completely. And if you don't combine visibility with durability, the system falls apart after one wash. So here's exactly how I make them. Step 1. Use grosgrain ribbon. It's sturdy, textured, washable, 1 color per child. Keep it consistent. Step 2. Write names on one continuous strip instead of cutting first. I keep the ribbon long and write their names repeatedly using fabric paint, like making my own custom label roll. Then I let it dry for 24 hours. This part matters. If you rush it, the paint cracks in wash, and we don't want temporary labels. Step 3. Cut and sear. After drying, cut into sections, but lightly sear the edges to prevent fraying. Just a quick pass to seal the fibers. Now, they survive washing. Step 4. Sew onto outside back. A few simple stitches on one end. I use my sewing machine to make a square on one end. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be visible. The same applies to shoes. It's not really possible to use sewing machine on shoes, so I hand stitch them onto the back of each shoe and boots, making them clearly visible from the back. Here's what surprised me. After I finished sewing everything, the first week, I didn't explain much. I just let them notice. And they did. They lined up their shoes by color, and they picked their own pants and t-shirts, even my then 2-year-old. And I realized motherhood is not about doing more. It's about designing better. Small systems remove friction and confusion. Independence appears and runs more smoothly in the house. When I started sewing these ribbons, I thought maybe this would save a few minutes. But it did more than that. It reduced argument, it reduced confusion, and it reduced my voice getting louder in the morning. And it gave my kids something better than speed. It gave them clarity, confidence, and visible ownership. So if your morning feels chaotic, maybe the solution isn't another lecture. Maybe it's visibility, color, ownership, small systems. Tiny ribbon meant a big shift for us. If this helped you, let me know. Which color would you assign each of your kids?